Today's the fire alarm demo, so let's go ahead and get started with it. I had different kinds of alarms up, and I changed the tone of the Gentex Commander 3 fire alarm. And this one is going to be on um mechanical horn, so this one could be really loud it gets. So of course, when you see this is going to be really loud. So yeah, and down here I have my powder pull station. This is the fire alarm demo, of course. So actually, ready? I have the panel on for you, and this, if I pull the alarm, this thing will set off. And this pull station's made out of metal. To pull it, you just need to pull it down like this. You have to after that you have to pull it straight down. But this one will take the most same as simplex D bars. But let's go ahead and test the strobe. Okay, so here we go. Let's do key activating, then we can do pulling. Are you ready? We're still waiting on the alarm. Do you think this strobe has a lot of problems? Yeah, that strobe has a lot of problems. Alright. Let me change the strobe thing of it. Hold on. Okay, here's another activation. It's really cool. I'm waiting again. Since the strobe's flashing, let's go ahead and reset the pull station. And the alarm keeps flashing. Alright, now let's go ahead and test the horn. Alright, so this won't be on. I changed the tone a bit, so here we go. Here we go in action. Here we go. Ready? Okay. Get this started. Here we go. This thing is loud. Everyone could really hear my alarm. Heh. Alright. For now, there's a demo system. And this is going to be loud. I'm going to change the tone a little bit. Okay, so here's another tone that I can play. This is going to be the strobe activation. Hold on. Alright, so I have the tone change. And I put a thing because I have table over it. So this thing could not be loud. Alright. We're going to get this party started by pulling this fire alarm, and that will sound off. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. The strobe is on 30 candela. Okay, that was kind of loud. Alright, let's see what else we're gonna do. Here we go. Alright, here we go. This is continuous. Holy crap! Holy crap, that was so loud. Shoot. Oh my god, this is loud. That's the same. I'm never gonna do that again. Alright, everybody. Have a good day.